Alright guys, there's my wife. She's preparing pork ribs. What she thinks.
Or she think, what does that mean?
She's mad. She said I bought too big a piece of pork ribs.
Because he can't just buy. We buy different kind of pork ribs, guys.
That's right.
Actually, we
Mine
get
are a
like,
better deal.
seriously. You have to keep saying that.
That's true.
So, can you explain what I'm doing here?
Oh, right now she's trimming off fat.
No, this is not fat. This is when you cook ribs. Even my husband doesn't know this. You have to do this, guys.
You don't have to do this, guys. It's
You
spare
have-
ribs.
No, you have to do this. The flavor will get in there.
I've been expecting spare ribs since I was a teenager, and believe me, I don't have to do that.
Because you're not a chef.
And you are.
I am. I'm a good chef. So,
We never claw the ribs apart.
my husband, eh? Because there is a thing, this is a how film, but whatever. I'm not gonna do this part. So washing it, you wash it, guys, and then rub it. Where's your rub? Show them your seasoning.
Well, this is just a dry seasoning, so we got a spicy rub. Then we got a Cajun rub, which is also spicy. We put some garlic and herb. And we put some basil. And we put some parsley. And we put some pepper because we don't use salt. And that'll be that. And then, of course, you put some barbecue sauce on it. You just make
Later
it nice.
on, yeah, and then wrap it with foil and let it cook slowly until it's tender. Because we cannot do it outside, guys. Freezing.
We could do it outside, but we'd rather not right now.
Yeah, it's freezing outside.
I like doing it outside, but then my wife made me take the grill off the porch, and now I don't like to do it anymore.
Seriously.
It's just true.
Not seriously.
On the porch, I can sit there, watch the grill, have a drink.
It seems like it's very far from the thing.
No, but now I can't sit there and relax because
And you can sit and cook.
no, I can't. I like my way, and that's who I am. I'm set in my ways. My wife likes to rearrange my ways and make them her ways.
Of course, and I'm the wife.
Oh, see that, guys? So, of course.
Of course, Tommy. You have to learn. That's what happens is when he's not I'm his first wife. He doesn't know that wife should be number one. And you know what he told me, guys? I'm number two. I don't know who's number one here,
You know what
guys.
number 2 is, right? What's number 2?
What is it?
Well, what's number 1? PP. What's number 2?
I had. You know what? You're so weird. You're so weird. Okay, guys, I will show you how I cook it later. Okay, I'm just cleaning it, and that's really it. That's it. Hello guys! Sana matry po ninyo itong niluluto ko. Sobrang sarap po talaga niya. Ipakita ko po sa inyo kung ano yung mga nilalagay ko sa process na ito. Meron po kayong ribs. Ito po yung gagawin nyo. Promise, masarap siya. Ito na. Atin na itong rub-rub. Lagyan na natin siya ng seasoning. Ang ilagay ko lang siya na seasoning is simple lang. Dried seasoning lang siya. And then, hindi na natin lagyan ng salt kasi ayaw ni Tami ng salt. So, yun. So, hindi natin siya lagyan ng salt. So, anuhin na natin siya ng mga dried seasoning lang. Ay. Ito yung first time ko talagang masasabi ko na the best pork ribs, spare ribs na naluto ko. Kahit hindi siya sa grill doon lang siya sa oven talaga. So yun, nirarab ko lang yun, hinimas-himas ko yung mga seasoning sa pork. Andiyan naman kayo sa Pilipinas, guys, mas mainam na kung meron kayong sa apoy ninyo, yung talagang sa apoy, sa uling, sa kahoy, kahit ano, yung talagang sa grill, pwede po ninyo itong gawin. I-wrap lang ninyo, lutuin ninyo, and then i-wrap dayon ninyo. Pagka ilang minuto, i-wrap ninyo sa foil, and then lagyan ninyo ng tawag nun yung sauce. Ito po yung sauce na nilagay ni Tami. Ketchup lang, guys, na parami ata niya yung ano. Pero masarap naman yung Sweet Baby Ray's na barbecue sauce. Masarap din. And then, of course, yung paborito niyang mustard, yun yung nilagay niya. Tapos na akong nagluto, tapos na kumain. Pero meron pa ako doong niluto na, na ribs. Ay, kasi itong asawa ko, bumibili ng ribs na ang dami. Ang isa-isa lang siya, pero ang kapal pa lang ng ribs na yun. So yun guys, yung ating ribs guys, okay na siya. And parang okay na, tender naman siya, no? Sobrang tender niya, and kailangan lang siyang i-broil konti. Binubroil ko lang siya guys, and then i-flip natin mamaya. And then lalagyan na naman natin siya ng sauce. Yung sauce na minix ni Tami. Ay, ito na guys, i-flip ko lang siya. Sobrang tender niya. So ngayon, i-flip natin siya kasi para naman balance, balance, diba? So, yun. Ganito sila, guys. Usually, sa grill ito, no? Pero, masarap din. Same lang naman yan sa grill or sa oven. Same lang yan siya. So, yun. Ang gagawin ko is, lagyan natin ng sauce. Yun tayo maglagay ng sauce. Huwag na nating himas-himasin kasi mainit, no? Hinimas-himas ko yan kanina, Maghimas-himas, guys. Kunti na lang itong sauce ni Mister. Iwan ko na lang, sumakit na yung likod ko dito. Sakit sa likod. Sana meron din kayong kinain, Ito, guys, pasensya na kayo, guys. Wala naman talaga. Ito lang naman kasi yung buhay ko dito. If nakikita ninyo, palagi na lang kaming nagluluto, nagbili-bili. So, pasensya na kayo kasi may mga nagreklamo na puro pagkain, yung iba nagugutom. Guys, wala man akong control sa ganyan. Hirap naman talaga yung buhay talaga, lalo ngayon sa Pilipinas. Pero, so, dahil sa ganun, hindi ko pwede naman ding i-stop yung mga ganap namin ni Mister. And then, naggawa naman ako ng content. So, pasensya na. Pero, ito kasi yung ko, buhay ngayon. And then, ang content ko, magawa ako ng content. So, why not, diba? So, hindi naman pwede na, mag-stop tayo kasi yung iba nagugutom. So, hindi na tayo magbili or hindi tayo mag-video, mag-stop tayo. Unfair naman din yan sa amin din. Kung ano yung makapagpasaya sa amin, i-stop namin. I-blame kasi, guys. I-blame ba ng iba na ganun, na ganito yung nangyari sa iba, andin ako dito, vlog ng pagkain. So, parang ginagawa nila sa amin na parang dapat mag-guilty kami. Ganon. So, yun siya, guys. I-broil ko lang yan siya. And then, yun na yun siya. Masarap na yun. And then, ipakita ko sa inyo kung gaano ka-tender, Sobrang tender niya, guys. Look how tender is that, guys. Look. There's no outlet. There's no outlet. Oh, nice.
Here, try it.
No, try it. So, ikakat na natin siya into pieces. Into pieces talaga. So, para maganda. And then, we will put it back to the sauce. And it's hot. I thought the gloves will help. So, come on, Antok. How do you like it? Because, kumain siya, guys. Kumain siya. So, I think gustong-gusto niya. Look, how nice is that. Wow. Look. Right here. And then, we will cool down. Hintayin lang namin na mag-cool down. And then, we put it in the container. Cellophane Ziploc. And then, we leave something for snacky for my baby. Look, yun siya. Yum! Kain tayo. Ito yung ribs na niloto ko. Look, ang sarap nito. Natikman ko to kanina Tami. So, ito, kain ta. The seasoning is the best, Huwag kalimutang mag-share. Every Monday, meron po tayong ayuda. Thank you for sharing.